we're gonna top up. I'm gonna place the card. Then you're gonna insert the coin. It will automatically recognize it, and you click or tap next. Okay. We'll say don't remove, and then it's gonna process it. And then there you go. Added amount is 10. Alright, you're done. How to top up? Just place your card, insert the bill. So this time we're gonna put 100, insert there. Alright. And then yes, tap next. And wait for it to recognize. Don't remove yet. Okay, now we have 60. Okay, finished. That's it. So just a heads up, if you're having a hard time topping up from the machine, the easiest way is the information, like this one. You can ask them to put a load on the Easypay, and it's just gonna be an easy transaction. That's it. So here's how you use the MRT card here, the Easy Pass. There, we'll show you your balance. You're just gonna tap and the door will open. So for the MRT, they have waiting line. Going in is this side. White marks are indicators up until where the line is gonna end. So yeah, you have to fall in line like that. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe.